In our bustling world, silence has become a rare commodity. We are bombarded with noise, notifications, and the incessant demands of modern life. Finding a quiet space to connect with God can feel like an impossible dream. Our minds race, our to-do lists lengthen, and the whispers of the divine are often drowned out by the clamor of the everyday. We intend to carve out time for communion with God, yet distractions abound. Work deadlines, family obligations, and the lure of social media all compete for our attention. The challenge isn't necessarily a lack of desire, but a lack of practical tools to navigate the noise and cultivate a consistent connection. We yearn for a simple, accessible way to commune with God amidst the busyness of life. These practices exist, waiting to be discovered and embraced. Breath prayer is an ancient practice, a simple yet profound way to connect with God throughout the day. It involves choosing a short, meaningful phrase or scripture verse and repeating it in rhythm with your breath. As you inhale, you silently speak the first part of the phrase, and as you exhale, you complete it. Try something simple that can be split into two parts, like, Lord, guide me with your inhale, and in your ways with your exhale. This rhythmic repetition quiets the mind, focusing your attention on God's presence. The beauty of breath prayer lies in its simplicity and accessibility. It can be practiced anywhere, at any time, whether you're waiting in line, commuting, or simply pausing to breathe. Breath prayer invites God into the ordinary moments of your day. It transforms mundane activities into sacred encounters, reminding you of God's constant presence. As you repeat the sacred phrase, you internalize its meaning, allowing it to permeate your thoughts and emotions. This can lead to a greater sense of peace, joy, and connection to the divine. Christian journaling is more than simply recording events. It's a conversation with God. It's a space to pour out your heart, to express your joys, sorrows, doubts, and dreams. Through journaling, we engage in an active dialogue with God, deepening our understanding of ourselves and our relationship with Him. Journaling provides a tangible record of our spiritual journey. Looking back on past entries, we can see how God has worked in our lives, how He has answered our prayers, and how He has guided us through challenging times. The act of writing itself can be therapeutic. Putting our thoughts and emotions into words can help us process them more clearly, gaining insights and perspectives that might otherwise remain hidden. Journaling can also be a powerful tool for discernment, uncovering areas where we need to grow or change. A confluence of grace, breath prayer, and journaling. When combined, breath prayer and Christian journaling create a powerful synergy, amplifying the benefits of each practice. Breath prayer prepares the heart for journaling, creating a space of stillness and receptivity. It quiets the mental chatter, allowing us to hear the whispers of the divine more clearly. Then, as we transition into journaling, we can pour out our hearts to God, expressing the thoughts and emotions that have surfaced during our time of prayer. Journaling provides a space to reflect on the insights gained during breath prayer. We can explore the meaning of the sacred phrase we've chosen, delving deeper into its implications for our lives. This combination of practices allows for a deeper level of engagement with God. Embracing the journey, a personal invitation. I encourage you to try incorporating breath prayer and Christian journaling into your daily life. Start small, perhaps with just 5 minutes of each practice. Choose a breath prayer phrase that resonates with your current needs and desires. As you journal, be open to whatever comes up, whether it's joy, sorrow, gratitude, or confusion. Trust that God is present with you, listening and responding to your every word. Don't be discouraged if you find it challenging at first. Like any new habit, it takes time and practice to cultivate consistency. Embrace the journey and trust that God is leading you toward a richer, more fulfilling spiritual life.